soaring overseas, I heard you calling out to me like a siren, sending songs in the wind. Then like every time I'm woken up from every rhyme, I remember I was nothing to you, 'cause you held me in one hand, and I would have pulled the moon and stars to earth for you. But now I'm crying on an airplane, looking over landscapes I keep